Hazrat Suwaid bin Ghafala reports, while I was along with Salman bin Rabia and Zaid bin Sohan in a ghazwa, I found a whip. I was asked to replace it, but I said no. I will search for its honor, otherwise bring it in my use. On return we performed Hajj, and when I passed through Madina Munawwara, I asked Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b radiyallahu anhu about it. He said, I found a pouch having 100 dinar in Prophet times. I took it to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. So I promulgated it openly for 1 year. Then I again came, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. I announced it publicly for 1 year. When I came to him for a third time, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, announce it publicly for a year. So I publicly announced it for a year and then came for a fourth time. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, remember its number, its pouch and the string. If its owner comes, give it to him. Otherwise bring it in your use. Hazrat Shoba, reporting it from Salama, said, after it, he met me in Makkah Mukarramah. So he said, I do not know whether he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to announce for 3 years or only 1 year. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2437.